Hi everyone, I'm Claudia, international makeup artist. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to achieve this super fresh, youthful look that you can wear with any lip color, and this is why I'm going to show you two lip options in today's tutorial. I'll of course start by making sure that the skin is very clean and very well balanced. This is why I'm using the toner first, and then after that I'm going to come with the moisturizer and massage it very well into the skin. I would say this product is very hydrating and it's ideal for normal and dry skin. Right now I'm applying my favorite lip mask. This is the Laneige one. You know already I love this lip mask so much, and I always apply it before applying any makeup so that it will absorb into the lips until we're done with the makeup. I'm using now the blurring primer on the T-zone. You already know that as well, because I don't like a greasy T-zone. Nobody actually likes that. We don't want to look sweaty, we just want to look very dewy on the rest of the face, and on the center of the face we usually want to look matte. Now I'm using the Radiance Booster by Iconic London, which is a new product, and it's a hybrid between a moisturizer, an illuminator, and also a BB cream. I would say it has a tiny little bit of coverage, but just enough to even out the skin tone, and it also has a very beautiful glow, and it makes your skin so youthful and fresh. I just love this type of product. I'm applying it all over the face, and I'm only gonna apply concealer in the key areas where I want a little bit more coverage, but other than that I just want to be able to see the skin through the makeup. I'm now using the sheer bronzer by Iconic London as well. This is another product that I'm in love with because it's so transparent on the skin. It's literally like a gel, so you basically don't see the texture at all. It's just like a tint on your skin, and it makes the skin look so beautiful and sun-kissed. I'm applying it under the cheekbones, on the temples, up on the forehead of course, and a little bit on the nose and the chin as well. And with the same type of formula right now for blush with my Makeup Forever HD blush palette, I'm applying this on tops of the cheekbones because I really love that dewy effect that it creates on the skin. And because I love cream products so much, I'm gonna also apply a cream / liquid illuminator, and I'm blending it on tops of cheekbones, underneath the brow, a little bit on top of the brow as well, and of course a tiny bit in between the brows and on the tip of the nose. But be careful when you do this because you don't want to add too much. You don't want to make that nose look bigger, you want to make it look petite. Right now I'm setting the center of the face only. Of course we have to set the concealer because otherwise it's gonna crease. There is no other way of making sure that the concealer stays put. And I'm also gonna set the areas around the nose because, as I said in the beginning, we don't want to look greasy, we just want to look a little bit more matte, velvety on the center of the face, on the T-zone, and a little bit more dewy on the rest of the face. For the eyes, it's super easy. I literally don't apply anything on the eyelids at all. I'm just making sure that I'm applying a lot of individual lashes because this look is all about lashes, brows, and lips, and of course radiant skin. So this is why I'm not applying anything on the eyelids at all. I just want to keep it very fresh. This is why I'm also brushing the brows up and just drawing a couple hair strokes because I want everything to look very natural but perfected at the same time. So this is what this look is all about. Onto the lips, this is the first version for those of you who just want to keep it very natural. So you can just apply a nude lip liner, making sure that those lips are very nice contoured, and after that I'm gonna just come over with the lip gloss all over the lips. This is a very natural look that literally works everywhere. You can wear this look at a wedding, every day, or for any type of event really. After that I'm gonna make sure I'm applying a lot of mascara on top and bottom lashes as well. I love my spidery lashes, you already know that about me, so I don't really mind if they stick a little bit to each other. That's a very nice look for me. I always love lashes, like big lashes, fat lashes. So after that I'm gonna come with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. This is such a lovely shade. It's like a orange tone, like a peachy tone with some pink flecks in it, I would say. But you can of course apply any type of lip gloss you want for this look. Anything works really. So right now this is the finished look with the first lip version. This is how it looks like. I think it's a very feminine and of course youthful and young look that you can wear even at high school, I would say. Of course you can avoid the lashes, you don't have to apply lashes every day while going to high school. And because I couldn't help myself, I also created the second version of a lip that you can wear with this look. This is a Barbie pink glossy lip. That's what I instantly thought about when my model came in. I said today we're gonna do a Barbie pink lip because looking at her I feel like it just suits her very well. And I also did a very interesting red glossy lip on her. We also have that tutorial up on my channel if you didn't watch it already, and I saw that many of you really loved that look, so I decided to also create a very bright pink lip. And of course, when I'm applying this type of lipstick, I'm gonna also apply a little bit more blush because I want to match the blush with the lipstick as well. And right now, just to glaze it up, I'm gonna apply this beautiful clear lip gloss, applying it all over the lips for that juicy latex effect. And this is the finished look of the second lip version. Of course, if you recreate this look, you can experiment and try any lip color you want. Just make sure you tag me on Instagram if you post any pictures, because I'm very curious to see your recreations. Thank you so much for watching.